A husband begins to worry about his wife's deteriorating hearing and decides to consult her doctor for advice. I can't speak to her directly about it because she might find it offensive, especially given our age, he tells the doctor. The doctor suggests a simple way to assess her hearing. Ask her a question from a distance, he says. If she doesn't respond, move a bit closer and ask again. Keep doing this until she hears you. At evening, the husband comes home and notices his wife cooking in the kitchen. He sees this as the perfect chance to test her hearing. Standing in the doorway, he calls out, "What's for dinner, honey?" There's no response. He steps a little closer and repeats, "What's for dinner, honey?" Still no answer. Moves even closer. "What's for dinner, honey?" Silence. Concerned, he finally stands right next to her and asks one more time, "What's for dinner, honey?" She turns to him and says, "For the fourth time, we're having chicken."